Hi dear mom. So if you've listened to the last 2 episodes of my podcast, you know that we are getting ready for this Saturday for the workshop about inner spring cleaning, to let go of anything and everything. First of all, to identify and then let go of anything that is bringing you down, making you negative in the background, also lowering your vibration as a parent. So we covered a few stuff in the first episode. We covered more energetical stuff in this recent episode this week. And I shared a way to clear the energy of your space, because especially when you have like conflicts or arguments in a house or tension, the energy can become stagnant and stay there. So I mentioned a way to space clear, where you didn't even need anything, just your hands, and you just do that. But the sound is really sharp and crisp. That means that the energy is really, it's a great energy. It's a positive, beautiful energy. It's not stagnant. There is another way that you can do that, is with a small bell. You don't have to spend a fortune to do that. And you just do the same thing. You listen for the sound. Sharp. If you find that the sound is a little bit muffled or different, then you know that there is some kind of stagnant energy. And you can clear it with the bell, because the sound vibration is very powerful to break down energies. That's why they have, therapy with balls, like the Tibetan balls. I know I have a friend who does that. And sound waves, because it's very powerful and very efficient, I would say, at breaking what needs to be released. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I mentioned in the episode that I would do a demonstration. I wanted to show you that it's so simple and really easy to do. And if you want to dig a little bit in your parenting, dig in your unconscious patterns that you need to let go of, start really investigating and shifting what is not serving your parenting, join us this Saturday. The link is below. The workshop is part of the membership, and that way you can come and work on your stuff with us in a very sacred space with other moms like you. Meanwhile, go and clear your space. You can even do that on yourself, on your chakras, with a bell or something like that. Sending you a lot of good vibes. See you next time. Mwah.